Alright, y'all, check this out. You know what I'm saying? Today, we're gonna put this, it's called the, RTR, license plate surround sound on the Mustang today. You know what I'm saying? Gonna put that on the, you know what I'm saying? Got myself a cushion down here. I ain't got no shop. So, you know, I got this in the yard. You know, get the box blade. Cut that box open. You know what I'm saying? Get surgical with that John Jake. You know what I'm saying? Sponsored by Heart. You know, we sponsored by Heart. You know what I'm saying? Alright, let me get my instructions. So we ain't gonna knock this out, you did. Alright, so we're gonna knock this right here out. We're gonna take the license plate off, and we're gonna take that off. We're gonna take this off, and we're gonna put in a new one on. I'm gonna show y'all what that look like right now. Oh Lord, the doors is locked. Hey, what y'all think though? What y'all think? Hey, yeah, we're gonna put that in there. Hang on, here you go, instructions, you know what I'm saying? Give me 2 little zip ties. I believe that's for my little lights on it, you know what I'm saying? You can hold them out the way so when I'm cutting the bumper. Just right here, you know what I'm saying? Right here, I'm gonna pop this out, you know. And we're gonna go ahead and take the license plate out first. Alright, now we gotta take this little piece right here. You got the fire light, well, we got the tag lights in here, you know what I'm saying? Just gotta pop that in there. Like that. Got a little clips in there. Yeah. And they got rocks in there. My boy, I had rocks in them. I don't know how that happened. Cause I do got this light over here out. Got one pop out. What's up, G's? Y'all see these damn cats? They'll come around you, but they won't let you touch them. Okay. Ta-da! We got it off. It went to. It's dirty too. We'll set that over there, you know what I'm saying? I'll show y'all what it look like. But yeah. It looking real crusty in there, boy. Alright, y'all. We just pulling this little wrap off. It looks like I'm gonna wash it. Cause this bad boy dirty. To make the line up the little points at each little spot. Now I get my little markers right here. To mark my little holes for each little spot. I'm gonna put a drill hole to cut this hole out. Alright, y'all, I'm finna drill another hole. Give me on over smoke. Alright, I'm gonna go a little bit right here. Alright, we working now, y'all. I done cut these 2 holes and cut these 4 over here. So we almost there. We got a little line right here, you know what I'm saying, a little outline. Gotta stay between the line. Basically, I got my 2 little marks where I put them at, right there and right there. So next time when I'm done, when I'm done cutting these 2 holes over there, I'm gonna get my little line. I'm gonna cut down this right here and edge it out so that make a nice little round shape. Alright, we got the holes cut, you know. So now, you know, just clean it up a little bit. But other than that, you know what I'm saying, we finna come back in here and outline this and shape it up and get it right how it's supposed to be. Well, guys, we gotta put everything on pause. I got like the little tool right here. This right here, it you know, to cut out the little lines to cut the thing, but I didn't read the little bottom corner down here, so it don't come with no battery. So I gotta go to Walmart and get a battery and so I can get back to work. Got the ring light set up real quick. Gotta move the stuff on my little, you know, my little pad. So I can cut some more to get that on off. But yeah, got the new battery thing right there. All right, we got one cut, y'all. We're gonna cut this thing. Ooh. It'll take all day. I'm turning it up a little bit. All right, right there. Alright, I'm gonna get done cutting this and I'm hollering back at. Alright, I just sanded it down a little bit. I mean, I'm not, Mr. Clean, but it's much better than what it was looking like when I first cut and stuff. So I ain't got no problem with it. Other than that, I'm probably just gonna wipe this down, probably blow this out in here and stuff. Then that's probably all I'm gonna do. Then just push this back into each of these little holes. My bad. Click it in each one of these little holes they got, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna click back into. I see I need 2 screws to get this out, to get my light out, because one of them is out. This one right here on, but this right here don't work. This out. This right here really came in handy though. Like, this is what you need. Like, this junk come with everything you need. Come with these. It come with all the little stuff in here though. Cause this is what I was cutting the lines with this. Then they got the little drill bit or cut the circles out. I use that with my drill, but this made by Hearts too. So, and this junk got like, you turn the power up. I just kept it like right here, cause it really didn't need like that talking about. But like, only thing is, this didn't come with no battery, so I had to go buy this battery. I had to go back to Walmart to get a battery, and I had to get one that came with a charger. I didn't want to just have a battery, cause it probably wasn't gonna be charged up anyway. Which it was, cause I started cutting, and then it died on me, so I had to charge it up real quick. But yeah, this little thing came in handy though. Then like all these little holes right here, you can put these in here like just in case, like whenever you need it. You just stick it in there, and they all just be sitting there. You just grab it when you need it, to stick it into the thing, tighten it down, get the work. All right, gonna put it in now, y'all. They cleaned up a little bit back there, much decent now. Line them up in the holes. Alright. Yeah. Alright, I guess it's enough. It ain't going nowhere. Ta-da! It's enough. What y'all think? Do a little better than the stock one. Not that bad, not that bad. Yeah, what y'all think though? It a little better, don't it? Than this. I mean, it's dirty right now, but Yeah, I like that though. Trying to get my license plate back on there, drill them holes back in there, but like, yeah, I might ride like this tomorrow. Dang, cuz. Gotta move you out of the way. I'm gonna pop it back off so I can move these wires out of the way. They ain't showing on that side though. All right, y'all, I just woke up. I said, ooh, look at the hair. Yeah, Lee. They had a blue rag on last night. Anyway, let me show y'all what it look like. Came out nice. Yeah, I like that. It came out real nice, real smooth. But yeah, got the delete for this right here. It come in days, so I'm gonna take this off. And it's like a little piece behind it. I had to cut it out and make it smooth back there. It's the RTR piece for that. So like, this the RTR surround, license plate surround thing. And I got the RTR little dick lid right there.